Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step on your cell phone, how to make a bank transfer using the Banco Familiar mobile app. This is a quick way to send money without visiting a branch. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into the Banco Familiar app. Open the app on your phone and sign in with your username, password, or biometric option like fingerprint or face recognition. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Step 2. Go to Transfers. On the home screen, look for Transferencias or Payments. Tap to open the transfer menu. Step 3. Choose the type of transfer. If you're sending to your own account, select between My Accounts. For another Banco Familiar client, choose Same Bank Transfer. For someone at a different bank, select Interbank Transfer. Step 4. Enter recipient details. Type in the recipient's account number, their full name, and bank if it's an interbank transfer. If you've saved contacts before, you can select from your list of beneficiaries. Step 5. Add amount and reference. Enter how much you want to send and write a short description like rent payment or invoice 102. This will help you and the recipient track the transfer later. Step 6. Review and confirm. Check all the details carefully, then tap Confirm. Banco Familiar will usually ask for a security code, SMS code, or token confirmation to complete the transfer. Step 7. Save your receipt. Once approved, the app will display a confirmation screen with a transaction number. Take a screenshot or copy the reference for your records. That's it. You've successfully made a bank transfer from your cell phone using Banco Familiar. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.